Railway station here, and suddenly this guy barked at me. Tibetan Mastiff. Hello. Comes to the car. I mean, it's frosting. Look at that. It's somebody's car randomly taking video. They have chests here, or dam, I don't know. And all this, wow. I'm on the way to the railway station. I just happened to pass this thing. Damn, look at that. Oh, this one hasn't got over there. I cannot turn left here. I have to go that way. Oh. Yeah, I asked a runner, he's exercising, how to get there. He said I'm supposed to go up there to the traffic light and turn right. It takes about 40 minutes. This is taking a long time. I think I need to take the main road there to go that way. Yeah, here, but they blocked the entrance there, so I couldn't go in. So I have to walk here. Let me show you. There, I finally got in here. So I'm walking inside now. Station, and I think there are shops there. Maybe I go and check out how much the drinks cost. And supermarket, let's see. They have the tier one, but it's a smaller version. This one too. Toys and a oh, there's a loo. Oh no, shower loo, I don't know. And some more toys. One costs 7 yen here. Normally costs like 5 yen. I have a normal grocery shop here. Maybe because the rental here is more expensive, or there's less footfall, so they have to pay. Price it up. Supermarket. Have a look. 0.5. So here. And 6 yen, so I guess this is where I'm going to get it. Same price, and the lady's really nice. I have beef noodle. I'm supposed to put the condiment myself. Here, after the beef noodle, I had to poop. So now I'm waiting. I think it's 1 hour more left. Second class, 135 yen. It's quite nice. It's warm. Arrived in Dali, and there's a huge number of people coming here. Got in the bus, and the bus is moving. It's a big city.
让乘客提前做好准备。
Off by the bus here. I don't know whether I should have stayed on the bus or whether they go to the old town. Stupid old town. Maybe I'm already in old town, I'm not sure. I just walked like 3 minutes. Here. Look, cat and goodie. Yeah.